Greetings, Noel Elliott with Finish Line Home Inspection, Tucson, Arizona. Showing you this dishwasher rack that is pretty much shot. You can see right here, this is rust through. The coating is completely shot, and as you go, each one bears the telltale signs of rusting. The tips of I don't know what the terminology is. It's the part that holds dishes up, but you can see it just all along as you go. It's pretty much, the wire is just rusted, and that's just the top rack. Pull out the bottom rack and it's more of the same. I don't think that makes for a healthy atmosphere or conditions conducive to good health. And I'm going to make the recommendation that they at least find new racks, if not replace the dishwasher. Dishwashers are pretty cheap. But then again, it's not my money, so I'll let them know their options. Noel Elliott with Finish Line Home Inspections, Tucson, Arizona, showing why we're a step ahead of the competition.